Hi, everyone. On today's mastermind call this morning, we ran into a fun example that I thought would be great to share with you of how you can bulk create social media posts using both ChatGPT and Canva. So why would you want to bulk create your posts? Uh, Social media, one of the things that we want to do is to be able to express your personality. And more importantly, we want to show up consistently with information that is relevant to your potential audience. We want to make it personal, shows your personality, or really connect with them to give them a quick win. So let me share with you what we kind of got cooking up this morning. I'm going to start a new window here. We're going to go into ChatGPT. And sorry, mine's going to look a little different than yours. I've got some additional conversations going on here. So essentially what we did, we were talking about ways that you can create a series of posts. Let's say on Tuesdays, you wanted to give a tiny teach moment, or I'm myself going to be creating a Tuesday regular that is try this Tuesday with a different ChatGPT quote or prompt that someone on LinkedIn, when they run across my post, they can just copy and paste this prompt into their ChatGPT and come out with a quick win. This does a couple of different things. A, I'm showing up consistently in their feed, but B, I'm giving them a taste of what I do and in a way that they can get that quick win and begin to wonder, like, oh, I wonder what else is possible. I didn't even know I needed this. So one of the fun conversations we got into on today's mastermind call was Daksha. She is a fan of Star Wars. So we said, oh, wouldn't this be fun? Please give me 10, let's do 12 so that we end up with 12 quotes from Yoda from Star Wars that might pertain to business. So let's hit that and see what it comes up with. Try or try not. Okay. Can you give us a one-line explanation of how that pertains to business? These are fun, right? Patience you must have. Success in business often requires patience and persistence. Be willing to take risks without fear of losing what you have. Train yourself to let go of everything you fear to lose. These are really fun. So now what we want to do is advise chat. Now, can you please put this into a table? All right. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to put this into an Excel document to be able to save it in a format that we can bulk import these right into Canva. So I'm going to take this. My cursor is at the beginning of that table, and I'm holding down the Shift key and clicking at the end so that it highlights everything that's in that table. I'm using a keyboard shortcut called Command C. I'm going to start a new Excel document and Command V. I'm pasting that information right in here. If you really wanted to get tricky, you could even, this is pretty cool, because you can include pictures right in here as well. For the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it short and not do that, but you could literally put your highlighter here and copy and paste a picture in each one of these cells, and it would import the cell for you. So here we've got two columns. We've got a Yoda quote, and then we've got the business pertinence, it's called, but we've got two columns here. So now what we want to do is go over to, let's go to Canva. Let's see if I can find my Canva window. Let's go to Canva. And let's create a new design. We'll go to a Facebook code. Let's do LinkedIn since it's a business LinkedIn post. LinkedIn post, there we go. All right. And essentially you can start with any kind of format that you would like. This one right here, right away, is a good one. We'll just start with that because we know that we can customize anything, right? So the very first thing that you want to do is take the first slide and customize as much of this as you can. We want to get that first design as close to perfect. That's going to fit the format for all the forthcoming ones. I'm going to start by making this into my brand colors. The second thing you might want to do is make sure that you're using your brand kit. And for me, one of the fonts that I would be using is Lato. So I'm going to put that, oops, let's grab this. I'm going to change the font here into LAT. Oh, that is my font. And we'll change all the fonts there. Okay, so with our format, it had kind of a quote. We've got two things going on here. So I'm going to move that up. The first quote by Yoda is actually pretty small. So that's probably going to fit okay into that window. Now I want to move this quote up to give us a little bit more room. And let's duplicate this text block there, because the second piece is going to be how it pertains, that persistence thing, right? We'll do the business persistence just so it's clear. Pertinence, pertinence, pert. And essentially what we want to make sure is that the longest quote is going to fit. So some of that business advice was a little bit longer. So what we might want to do is make this smaller, just so that those longer pieces of advice fit. And then here we'll do just the opposite. Let's make Yoda Star Wars. Oops. And here we want maybe that to be a little bit bigger. And I'm going to expand this out and I'm going to make it bold. So you would also want to put your own picture in here. So I'm going to use an upload of a picture of me. Whoa, hey, let's drag that. This might be, okay, we're going to drag that into there. And I'm double clicking so that you would want to shore this up so that it fits into the window. And then I'm going to make this a little bigger so we can all see. We're going to put my name in here. And we're going to put my website. And it says see more at. All right. So when I make this, I don't really like how small these are. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to enlarge each one of these. Again, you want to make sure that the first one is as close to perfect as you can get it. This also is very small. We're going to enlarge this. And let's make this. For fun business tips, go to Kathy Basel. How's that? And let's bring this up a little bit. And I don't know if you know this, but under here in spacing, you can change the line spacing. So I'm going to tighten that up a little bit. And let's move that down just a touch more. That's looking good. Maybe we'll make this one more touch bigger. Lengthen my box so it all fits in. And then we want to just go back. Let's take that up there. I'm going to bold. You want the most important information on your slide to be bold or be bigger. Maybe we can put that a touch bigger. And let's go back. How's that looking? One of my other colors here. That looks pretty good. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, so The next thing we want to do, if you don't already have it, is in Canva, is go to the apps on this left-hand menu, and you would want to search for bulk create. And there it is. I've already got it installed, so I won't need to walk through that, but that's where you would find it. For me, it's already been installed, so it's right here along this left-hand menu again. So what we want to do is, what do we want to do? Back on the, I don't think I ever saved this to an Excel thing. So from your Excel document, you want to do save as, and I'm going to put it into, I'm just going to make it easy and put this into my downloads folder so I can easily find it. And I will call this Yoda quote, business quotes. And here's something important is you want to save this as a CSV file, comma, delimited, CSV, and just hit save. That puts it into a format that Canva is going to be able to read it. So now what we want to do is come over here, hit this bulk create. It's going to give you two options over here. The first is enter data manually. The second is to upload the data. That's the one we want because it's given you a couple different formats that it's going to accept it in. There's our Yoda business quotes. So basically it's saying, okay, I'll upload the data. What file do you want us to use? So we've gone to my downloads folder and here's the Yoda business quotes that we just created. So I'm going to hit open. And now it's going to say, okay, here's the two columns. They follow the format in our Excel sheet, Yoda quote and the business preference. So what we're going to do is click over here. And did you see this new menu popped up? We're going to connect the data and it's asking which piece of data goes here. So let's put the Yoda quote first. And then we'll click on this second one, connect the data again. And then we're going to business pertinence. So that's where the second quote will be. So those are the two variable text formats, blocks, if you will. Everything else is going to be replicated onto the next ones. So all we need to do is hit continue down here on this left-hand side. And it's asking here, do you want to select them all? So if there were ones that you didn't want, you could unselect, but I'm going to generate these 12 designs and watch how quickly this unfolds for you. This is lovely. Do or do not. There is no try. Commit fully to your business decisions and actions. The greatest teacher failure is learn from your business failures and grow. What you want to do is go through here and just make sure we got lucky. Everything seems to fit. Sometimes you might have, oh, here's one. That's a good example. Here's one that doesn't fit because the quote was a little bit longer. You just want to go back and just massage any of those. You know, will it fit? Yep. All we had to do is drag that a little bit bigger, longer, or you might need to make your font a little bit different. You might, now that that's 3 sentences, you might want to bring that down, or maybe you've decided that you want to make these bold or a different color. You can go back and nuance each one of these. Here's another one that might need to be a little bit longer or smaller, but essentially you can see how quickly this happens. And then when you're ready, you can download these, save it as a PNG, and then you've got your 12 items that you are ready to schedule on your scheduler, or you could take it up individually into LinkedIn. Sometimes I like to just get on a roll with that and use the scheduler that's included in the different social media platforms because they like you to play on their own platform. So a lot of times I'll just take that extra step, go onto LinkedIn, schedule each one of these individually. But while being just like that, you've got 12 quick, impactful, and fun quotes that every Tuesday, now you don't have to think about it for the next quarter. You've got your 12 posts like clockwork. They'll be showing up on your LinkedIn feed or wherever you schedule that on a regular basis. And again, the ultimate goal is that we want to build that know, like, and trust. When we show up consistently with information that a reader is going to find pertinent and useful, and even all the more so if it gave us an insight into who and how you are. Maybe somebody else loves Star Wars too, or they just appreciate the fact that you've got humor and you use it in the way you coach. They're going to know, like, trust, and want to work with you. So there you have it in a nutshell. KathyBasel.com if you want more information, or feel free to reach out to me. This is my joy. So I love sharing all things ChatGPT and marketing. So get out there and market yourself today. Ciao.